Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna take you on a tour of this beautiful condominium townhome that my client recently purchased in April of 2023. This is a townhouse with 3 bedroom, 3 washroom. It's a different layout than one of the typical townhomes you see these days, but that's what we're gonna get into. I'm gonna take you on a house tour. We are located in the Pioneer Park neighborhood, which is highly desirable here in Kitchener. Do keep in mind there is a monthly condo fee of $170 per month. But other than that, we had to actually overbid for 55 other offers to win the bid on this house. So that tells you the demand we had on this house. So I'm gonna show you the layout and I'm gonna walk you through the entire property so you get to see what the layout like. And let me know in comment below, what do you guys think about the layout of this nature for a townhome of this size? You're looking at around 12 to 1300 square feet above ground and around 400 square feet below ground space, which is finished walkout basement. So as we head into it, you will see what I'm talking about. Let's get right into it. Alright, so before we get in, I'm gonna get you a quick glimpse of a community that you see here. And this is exactly what you're looking at. Every house is very identical in terms of the layout, the floor plans. There may be some changes from inside, but majority of them, especially from the exterior, they do look very much alike. And just before I get in, hey, if this is your first time to this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Kitchener, Cambridge and Waterloo, then be sure to subscribe below and tap on the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Cambridge, Kitchener, Waterloo and surrounding towns. My name is Dharmik Dixit. I'm a local real estate agent serving Cambridge, Kitchener, Waterloo and the surrounding areas. And I do get calls, texts, emails from people just like you looking for help in making their move to Kitchener, Cambridge and Waterloo, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're thinking of moving 9 days or 90 days, be sure to reach out. All the information you will find right in the description below. I'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Cambridge, Kitchener, Waterloo and surrounding areas. So as you can see, as I enter into it, we have a coat closet here, which I'm going to open. So for yourself as you guess, you could put a shoe rack here as well. And like I said, the layout of this home is very interesting. And just so you guys know, the house is actually built in 1999. So this whole community is not too old. You're looking at just under 25 years of age. So what you see the stairs down is what's leading you to the laundry room as well as the walkout basement, which we will take a look in a moment. But this right here is a 2-piece powder room that you see right here. Quartz countertops, undermount sink. It's pretty standard for a 2-piece washroom with the tile flooring. And it's kind of a split level, although it's a townhome. But like I said, a few steps down take you to the basement. A few steps above takes you to the main floor. And now we are heading into the main living area. And look at this space. It's gorgeous. Seller have moved out, as we know. We are looking at just a day before the closing, so the house is pretty empty. And that's the open concept kitchen that you see with all the stainless steel appliances. Oversized windows in the living area. And this walkout to the patio is just amazing. Let me take you guys out. You could perfectly host a small barbecue here, maybe put some outdoor furniture like I think the neighbors have it. But decent sized patio. And you can enjoy your summer evenings right here, And let's head back. And when I head back, you can see this is what I'm talking about. Few steps above, you have another level, and we'll get there shortly. But let's look at the kitchen first. It's pretty spacious. You have all the stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, undermount sink, plenty of storage, and the fridge, and of course the standard built-in things that comes with it. But what I want to show you is this is something you won't see as usual in majority of the townhomes. Like, look at the height of the ceiling. It's probably well over 20 feet high, and there is no and this is where there is one bedroom, and we'll get there shortly. But very unique and interesting layout for a townhome. And we do have some storage space here. You could call it like a mini pantry, maybe put your oversized pots and pans here. But like I said, plenty of storage and the counter space in kitchen. You might be able to fit in, like sellers had dining table here when the house was staged, but you could put the dining right where you see that light by the window, or you could use this whole area as an oversized living area, depending on, to each their own. But there's plenty of options when it comes to how you want to set this house up. So let's head up and look at another level. And we have one of the 4-piece common washroom here. And we have built-in tub and a shower. Of course, besides that, we have a master bedroom with an ensuite. So that's the door to an ensuite on my left. And this is falling onto the frontage of the house. And pretty decent sized room if you see. I think they had a queen size bed here with a full bedroom set. And there was still some space, but yeah, new closets. And I think there's built-in shelving. Yeah, plenty of built-in shelving. So ready to use. And this is going to the frontage of the house. And this is where we have an ensuite with a standing shower. So again, you have your own ensuite, so 2 full washroom, the one that we just saw with the built-in tub, and this one is a standing shower with the glass panel. Pretty decent size, no complaints here. And this one has been renovated. Plenty of things have been actually renovated, including the flooring, the kitchen, as well as the washroom were renovated. And this is the area I was showing you guys from above, and very unique design. You have whole open concept kitchen and the living area. And again, you still have tall ceilings here. And this is where, as I head here, those 2 rooms that you see above, which we're gonna get there, only a few stairs up. We have a linen closet here, and these are the 2 rooms of the same size. So, like I said, so you have your master bedroom with an ensuite there. You have your common washroom here for the people in this 2 above rooms, maybe your kids. If they are living here, depending on your family situation, they could use one of the common washrooms, and you will still have your master bedroom with ensuite. And for your complete privacy, these 2 additional bedrooms, call it a guest bedroom, it's on a different level altogether. So they're exactly the same size, both the bedrooms, and falling onto the back of the house. And I think, yeah, so you can see the size of the deck here that I was just on, which is a walkout from the living area. And as you can see, pretty standard stuff here. Carpet flooring, we have standard single size closet, and the same for the second bedroom as well. Pretty standard, so I'm not gonna spend too much time here. Exactly the same as the other bed that we just saw. So you have 3 bedroom here, 2 full washroom, and this is the linen closet. Again, pretty standard, that comes with the townhouse. Decent enough size with the built-in shelving, which is convenient. And now I'm gonna head downstairs and see you guys in the basement. All right, we are pretty much at you can say the entrance level. So you have the main door there. That's your 2-piece powder room. The stairs up to the living area, and there your basement. So let's head to the basement. But before I take you guys there, on the left is where we have a laundry room, and pretty unique. I mean, I would not call this a washroom, and I'm glad the listing agent did not mention this as a full washroom, but for some reason they do have a standing shower here, and supposedly it is working. So you definitely could put a curtain here and start using it. But this is your mechanical / laundry room, and you have your garage door access from here. Let's look at that as well. And it's insulated garage door. I think the previous owner was using this as a workshop. So you can see some, shelving and the storage possibilities here, even on the top. So pretty standard garage. And you do have some crawl space here with additional storage options. So things that you're never gonna use or gonna use less often, you could definitely, put it in there. But this is your walkout basement, and look at it. It's finished space, completely open. You could turn this into your kids' playroom. You could turn this into a library. You could even turn this into an office space. So for those of you working from home, so lots and lots of possibility from, of using this space. And this is your walkout to the patio. Guess what? The best part is you don't have any landscaping to maintain here, because pretty much you could put you can make your small garden here, but this is the common area to be managed by the condo corporation. Yeah, but just take a look at the size of this patio, and basically it is covered obviously because you have your deck above there. And yeah, it's a pretty cute little patio to enjoy outdoors. If you want to do your barbecue either upstairs or downstairs, you can do it nonetheless. And as I head further upstairs, you will see the flow that I'm talking about. Again, you go a few steps up, and then you have your entrance right here. So, and you do have a small, I don't know you guys noticed, but this is a small cute covered porch. Maybe you could put like a table and a chair for a quick sip of coffee or tea in the morning, but not that you can do much here in this space. But it's a cute little townhouse, perfect for a first-time home buyer. Let me know what you guys think about the layout of this house in the comment below. Whether it is for you, whether it is nay, yay, whatever it is. I would love to know what you guys think about this one. And that pretty much is a wrap. I hope you guys did enjoy the tour. Well, be sure to subscribe below and tap on the bell for notification for more tours like this. Once again, whether you're thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 days, you can reach out to me, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or you can schedule a Zoom call. All the information right in the description below. I'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Kitchener and surrounding areas. Until next time, well, I do hope to show you around town.